Singapore's political battleground is heating up, and a bold response from SDP's Chee Soon Juan is turning heads. In a sharp rebuttal to Health Minister Ong Ye Kung's accusation that he had abandoned Bukit Batok to contest in Sembawang West, Dr. Chee didn't just defend himself, he called out what he believes is a bigger problem: personal attacks distracting from real policy debates. Stay tuned, because what unfolds next is not just political drama, it speaks volumes about the priorities shaping this election. On April 24, 2025, Chee Soon Juan hit back hard at Ong's comments, calling them a personal attack aimed at avoiding discussions about pressing issues, like the surging cost of living and immigration policy. Ong, speaking at a People's Action Party rally, suggested that Chee's move to a new constituency after 9 years in Bukit Batok was questionable. He implied it would be hard for the PAP team managing Sembawang GRC to work with an opposition MP like Chee. But Chee quickly shifted the conversation to facts. Bukit Batok SMC was abolished following the March 2025 boundary changes, leaving him with no choice but to contest in the adjacent Sembawang West SMC. Far from abandoning his constituents, Chee was adapting to political circumstances he had no control over, a key point that paints a very different picture from Ong's narrative. Chee went further, questioning Ong's commitment to voters on national policies. He asked whether Ong had ever stood up against measures like the GST hike and the rise in MediShield life premiums, especially when Singaporeans were already struggling post-pandemic. With GST now at 9% and living costs rising sharply, Chee challenged whether the ruling party truly understood everyday pressures faced by ordinary families. He didn't stop there. On municipal cooperation, Chee assured voters that if elected, he would ensure Sembawang West is well run. He also highlighted real concerns on the ground: overcrowded public housing and the controversial plan to relocate 100 horses from Turf City to Sembawang. Chee questioned the prioritization of space for horses over residents' quality of life, inviting Ong to walk the ground and experience the squeeze firsthand. Chee's closing message was simple but powerful: Singaporeans must focus on policies that impact their daily lives, not get distracted by political mudslinging. He urged voters to stay sharp, stay informed, and demand a better quality of political discourse. What are your thoughts? Should politicians spend more time debating policies instead of engaging in personal attacks? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more fact-based political coverage that puts real issues first.